Good morning, students. Today we will not start anything new as your unit test is left yet. So, I will be trying to revise all the works done so far. I hope by this time you all got how the question paper is going to be. You all understood that, I hope. Keep on practicing, keep on reading each and every line of your text, and that is the only way out. And try to follow my classes, whatever classes were taken so far, as well as all the worksheets you need to do carefully. I hope you all understood already. Still, it's my suggestion to read all the worksheets, study materials, and the most important is to read your textbook thoroughly. Line to line explanation is required to answer 100%. Now, as I got scope to discuss about leaving the valley many time and vocation, I would discuss today. Okay, so I know you all have memorized the complete poem, and that is required. You need to remember the poem thoroughly, and if the question may be like from anywhere, if one or two word is provided, you should have the preparation like you can fill up the rest part. So, vocation poem you all understood. I know that a boy like you all, and the poem is actually all about childhood longing, right? Means when the boy, he used to go to school at 10 o'clock in the morning. He used to meet a person who, a hawker rather, who sells bangles. And as soon as the boy finds the man, the hawker, he keeps on thinking that the person doesn't have any time limit to go anywhere fixed in a time, or to do any other work as the other persons will be asking. Rather, the person is free to roam around with his bangles, and he can do whatever. He needs not to present at anywhere in a proper time. The child thinks, obviously. So the child has starts to think that he wants to be a hawker. Okay, then when in the afternoon the child again comes back, sorry, the child finds a gardener, and the gardener who was digging with the spade. The child starts to think that if he were a gardener, uh, he could have done the work as the gardener is doing. He could have used his spade, and as the gardener digs, so he makes his clothes dirty and all, and no one is there to scold him, right? So that means he can do whatever he feels like to do. So the child has some boundary, and his movements are being guided by elders, as you all know this. So the boy starts to think to be a gardener. Then when he goes back to his bed at night, and he finds the watchman who is walking alone in the street, and his shadow also is found over there, the child starts to think that if he were the watchman, so he could have walked throughout the lonely street, and he could have walked with his own shadow. So this is actually all about a boy's imagination and his longing for what he is not. We all, when you all are now you all are children, and you all have the expectation, when will we grow up? And when you will grow up, you will start thinking, if I were a child again. So this is called life. So we keep on longing for the thing which we cannot get back. So this is all about the poem vocation. I hope you all understood. Now I want each one of you to remember the poem. Remember the poem in such a way, I repeat, that if only one word is given, you can understand from which stanza it is taken, and I need to write down what. Along with that, you need to read your text leaving the we have only 2 chapters in our unit test portion, and you need to read everything about Malala, whatever is given in your book, that part also, whatever I've told, those things also, and whatever is written is in written form. Everything you need to do. Today is basically a class on revision. In your worksheet you will definitely get some work, you will get the worksheet that is also a revision work. Maybe you all have done those questions once, but still I want you all to do them again, whether to check your own self whether you all can do that or not. In our regular normal class we generally do this. We keep on practicing the same thing many a time in order to make us perfect. The same thing will be followed here only once, and today you will get the worksheet. Maybe you all have done that before. If you have done, then also you cannot turn pages of your exercise book, and if you have not done, then you get a second chance to practice them again. And now you need to practice you need to practice for your own self again and again. Try to learn the word meanings, try to learn the extra questions that is given in your textbook already, and while explaining the chapter I have already discussed those, so you need to learn all those questions as well. Hope you all will listen to my words. You all listen to my words, I know very well. I hope you all still will do the same. So try to remain safe and keep on reading. That is the only solution right now. Read again and again, so that a single question also you do not miss. So this is for today, this much. Thank you. Have a nice day.